Hiya boys and girls, and welcome to SparkEd Innovation. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect a simple circuit diagram. Let's start. We're first going to talk about the electrical components needed to build our electric circuit. Firstly, let's talk about the battery. Now, many of you know and have seen a battery. The battery is also called cells, and the battery is the power source that stores all the electricity. The second component will be the light bulb. The light bulb will emit light when electricity passes through it. The next component will be our electrical wire. And in this case, we will need more than one piece of wire to connect our electrical circuit. The last component that we will need will be our switch. Our switch is a pathway that allows electricity through the circuit. We can have an open switch, or we will have an closed switch. The closed switch will allow the electricity to flow through. An open switch will not allow electricity to flow through the circuit. Alright, let's start connecting our electric circuit. One rule is that the wire has to be connected to both sides of the battery. So let's do that. The wire also has to connect to both sides of our light bulb so that electricity can flow through it. Now, lastly, let's connect our switch. As you can see, our pathway is almost closed. But let's have a look. Where is the open pathway? Because our light bulb does not switch on. Let's see. The wire starts from the one side of the battery all the way through the light bulb, all the way. There we go. The open pathway is at the open switch. Right, boys and girls? We need to close the switch. And if we close the switch, something is supposed to happen. Let's have a look. There we go. Wow, our light bulb is shining. And as you can see, all the electricity flows through the wires, through the light bulb, through the switch to the other side of the battery. And let's open the switch and see what happens. There we can see that there's no electricity flowing because the switch is open. Now, boys and girls, let me show you what will happen if we do not connect a side of the wire to a side of the battery. Closing the switch, we see that electricity flows through. However, if we ought to open this battery, we will see that there's no electricity flowing. Why? Because the wire is not connected to the other side of the battery. Let's connect the wire, and there we see electricity is flowing. Another case, let's try and disconnect the wire from the light bulb. Firstly, be safe. Switch off the light. We will now break the connection with the light bulb. Let's close the switch and see if electricity flows. Nope, no electricity. So let's open the switch to be safe. We connect our wire with a light bulb, close the switch, and we see if electricity flows. Beautiful! Electricity flows. And there we have built our simple circuit using a battery, wires, a light bulb, and a switch. Thank you for joining me, boys and girls. Goodbye, and keep the spark.